change camera angle in Minecraft. Go to this 3-line menu. Now click on Settings. Now scroll down the sidebar and go to Video option. Here you will get camera perspective option. You will get these 3 options. Select any of these and click on back. Here, as you can see, my camera angle has been changed. You have to go to video option to change it again. If you want to change the camera angle like this, then comment below. If I get good response, I will make a video on it. Thank you.